Scott here from SimpleSEOtools.net, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show how to create a Twitter thread using HypeFury. And it is free. Well, there is a free trial for 14 days, so it is a free way to do it as well. You can start off by going into drafts, or just click this bottom button down in the bottom right here. And okay, so now here's where you can start your first tweet. Let's just start with one. And you hit this plus button here to add a secondary tweet. And then you can do that as many as you want. I've done a dozen or so. Once you have everything looking good, and you can preview it over here in the right-hand column, now you can schedule it, or and then you can also go into the advanced section here, and here you can change the timing, which I haven't tried all of them yet. I think I've just been doing 2 minutes, but I've been getting pretty good response and much higher engagement, like an increase from, say, like an average of 3%, it jumps up to maybe above 10% on Twitter threads compared to just single tweets. And then you can also share on Instagram. It does give you the ability to auto plug, which is you can automatically add a follow-up tweet to it as well. And like, if they also have the option to automatically sell things via Gumroad. Like, basically, if any tweets get over, say, 30 engagements, HypeFury will automatically go in and reply with a link to your, or reply with your message and link to your sales thread. Then you can also post to LinkedIn, Facebook. It's got a lot of features here for Twitter threads, but there'll be a link in the description if you want to check it out.